COVID-19 has resurged massively in South Asia, and the governments are scrambling to repeat the comprehensive curbs they imposed in wake of its outbreak last year. And while the largest country in the region, India, is doubly prepared, others are struggling to contain it. Pakistan, which has remained in denial mode since the beginning, is running pillar to post seeking vaccine support. Bangladesh, on the other side, has logged entire country once again. The positive news amid the crisis has been a lower mortality rate and an encouraging recovery rate.
Amid an unprecedented surge in the COVID cases, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a top-level virtual meeting with chief ministers of different Indian states. He urged everybody in the decision-making bodies to prioritize the distribution of vaccines amid a growing demand of expanding the vaccination drive for all citizens. India has vaccinated around 100 million people and says it has 43 million doses in the stock or in pipeline for coming days. However, a steep rise in the number of infections has caught everybody by surprise, and experts believe that the government is required to take major steps to contain it.
कोरोना के प्रसार को रोकने के लिए फिर से युद्ध स्तर पर काम करना आवश्यक है। साथियों, इन तमाम चुनौतियों के बावजूद हमारे पास पहले की अपेक्षा बेहतर अनुभव है, पहले की अपेक्षा अच्छे संसाधन है और अब एक वैक्सीन भी हमारे पास है।
Meanwhile, the health teams on ground are racing against time to vaccinate everybody in the age brackets. The administration has laid special emphasis on the far-flung areas where the infection rate is not intense, but complacency could prove disastrous. With around 13 million cases, India is the third worst affected country, trailing the United States and Brazil. The only reprieve amidst the crisis has been a low mortality rate and a fast recovery rate. New Delhi says its aim has been to protect those who are vulnerable and will continue to vaccinate them on priority across the country.
मेरे भट्टे में जो मजदूर लोग हैं राजस्थान के, उनको 45 साल के ऊपर की उम्र वाले को वैक्सीन दिया गया है और काविठा आरोग्य केंद्र वाला जो टीम आई थी उन्हें अच्छे तरीके से अच्छे ढंग से सेवा दी है।
Meanwhile, in Pakistan, thousands of Pakistanis rushed to get inoculated in the first round of commercial sales of COVID-19 vaccines. Most of the sites declared sold out in just hours of the commencement of the exercise. Pakistan is currently offering free vaccines to frontline healthcare workers and people over the age of 50, but the drive has thus far been slow, and last month the country allowed commercial imports by the private sector for the general public.
Very happy and thankful क्योंकि अब शायद ट्रैवल में भी वैक्सीनेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट हो एंड जनरली नॉर्मल लाइफ रिटर्न हो, so very happy to get it.
Another South Asian country, Bangladesh, that has also started its vaccination drive through India-made AstraZeneca vaccine, imposed a week-long lockdown after the infection rate spiked suddenly in past few weeks. A group of shop owners and workers protested the lockdown on the streets of the capital, demanding the government to allow them to remain open during business hours if they maintain social distancing and mask guidelines. Bangladesh's economy has been severely hit by the pandemic, but a weak health system has kept the government cautious while reopening the economy entirely.